Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Tinkerbell's outfit on Dress to Impress. I'll do a non-VIP and a VIP version as well. So I'm gonna do the VIP version because I already have everything here. So for the hair, I use this hair from the mask section in EEBE62. Adjustments Y.53, Z.42, and scaled it to 0.24. Then I use this bun in the same color and no bangs, and I made no adjustments whatsoever to that. Then for the VIP version, I am just going to use this top here in this color 65833E, and I'm just going to enable fur as well, and I'm just going to color the fur white and then the buttons the same. For the dress, like the skirt part, I am going to use the petal dress so it's whimsical. Turn off the silver top here, and I'm just going to color it the same green, and then this one like a lighter green to match the outfit a little bit better, maybe a 0CD62, and then this green again. Then I'm just going to use leggings here in the type 3 toggle in the lighter green. Maybe just this, and then we're going to use these shoes in this green and then the lighter green, and then we're just going to leave that white and then the darker green here for the rest, like so. And then I'm just going to grab this and I'm just going to color it all white. You can use the animated toggle if you would like to. Now I am just going to also add these earmuffs here, color the first color this brown. I'm just going to scale it down a little bit, and I'm just going to kind of rotate it so you can see it a little bit better, maybe something like this. Now for the non-VIP, just remove the coat and the wings, and then you're going to select this top in the same green and then the rest in just white. And then you are going to use just the wings out here. Where is it? I actually don't know where it is. Oh, it's this one here in all white. And those are the options you can choose from. But that is it. It is super simple yet so cute. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.